Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the best gadgets on Amazon. From must-haves to hidden gems, we're exploring the top-rated tech you need to know about. Let's get started. Now, let's discuss a useful tool. Need a versatile vise for your projects? This one's a winner. It can be bolted to a workbench or clamped on, making it super adaptable. Perfect for any workspace. The quick release button is a game changer. Just press and push the jaws together for fast positioning, no tedious screw turning needed. This also ensures precise clamping every time. The 360-degree swivel base gives you total flexibility for working at different angles. Plus, the smooth guide rail makes adjusting the screw and handle effortless. With a 2.5-inch max jaw opening, 3.3-inch jaw width, and a 4-inch base clamping range, it handles various thicknesses. Ideal for home, workshop, or professional use. It's great for everything from woodworking and cutting to drilling, gluing, metalworking, sanding, sawing, and more. Built from tough cast steel with a protective coating, it's designed for durability and a smooth feel. The hardened jaws provide a super strong, reliable grip that will last. Looking to add some texture to your walls or ceilings? The Wagner PowerTex Paint Sprayer is designed to do just that. It's built for applying textured finishes to all sorts of surfaces, and it comes with interchangeable nozzles to help you achieve different looks. Setting it up is a breeze. Just attach the air turbine to the spray gun, pop the 1-gallon hopper on top, and choose your nozzle. That's it. The hopper can be easily adjusted for spraying walls or ceilings, and the 3-point stand keeps it stable when you set it down. Plus, there's a built-in armrest for added comfort during those longer projects. One of the best features is the built-in air turbine. This means you don't need a separate compressor or air hose, making it much more convenient and portable than some other sprayers. Whether you're after the classic popcorn ceiling, a subtle knockdown texture, or the distinctive orange peel effect, this sprayer has you covered. It's a great all-in-one solution for adding texture to your home. Say goodbye to aching backs and tedious deck clip installation. The clip drive is a game changer for anyone working clip on grooved decking. This stand-up tool takes the hassle out of fastening, making the job faster and easier. One of the best features is the height-adjustable handle, meaning it's comfortable for users of all sizes. No more hunching over or straining. The weighted nose is another brilliant touch. It effortlessly guides the screw right to the clip, significantly speeding up the process. Built for the pros, this tool is both durable and lightweight, so it can withstand the rigors of daily use without weighing you down. If you're looking for a way to streamline your deck building and save your back, the clip drive is definitely worth checking out. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your life. Looking for smoother, safer cuts on your table saw? The Hedgehog Spiral Featherboard is worth checking out. It's designed to fit most standard table saws, but double-check your miter slot size. It's not compatible with 5/8-inch slots. What sets this featherboard apart is its ingenious single knob, single pivot design. Adjustments are lightning fast and effortless, saving you valuable time in the workshop. It keeps your workpiece firmly against the fence, ensuring consistent, high-quality cuts every time, a real plus for both weekend woodworkers and pros. The premium build and clever spiral design provide excellent hold and minimize kickback, making ripping operations much safer. You'll get cleaner, smoother cuts and boost your overall woodworking results. Designed and patented in the USA by the family-owned Hedgehog brand, this featherboard combines smart design with practical functionality. Tired of guessing how much juice is left in your power tool battery? The Avid Power 20 volts battery pack solves that with a handy real-time display showing the remaining charge. No more unexpected power loss mid-project. This drill offers impressive control with 15+1 torque settings, preventing screw stripping and making it easy to drill into various materials like wood, ceramics, plastic, and even metal. It boasts a max drilling capacity of 13/16 inch in wood and 3/8" in steel. The compact and lightweight design, combined with a powerful motor, minimizes fatigue during extended use. The rubberized handle provides a comfortable, secure grip for easy one-handed operation. Plus, it comes with a flexible shaft for those hard-to-reach spots, an LED light to illuminate dark work areas, and variable speed control with an electric brake for precise drilling and driving. Looking for a sharpening system that can handle everything? The MK 2 takes the excellent foundation of the original MK and adds features that make sharpening faster, easier, and more consistent. The flexible belts adapt to any blade shape, making it perfect for grinding and sharpening everything from outdoor tools and lawnmower blades to pocket knives, kitchen knives, serrated edges, scissors, and more. You name it, the MK 2 can sharpen it. It offers the extra control and power needed for tougher jobs like sharpening axes and garden tools, while the Edge Guide provides support all the way to the tip for easy and precise knife sharpening. Like all work-sharp sharpeners, the MK 2 comes with a 3-year warranty. Each sharpener is carefully designed and quality checked in Oregon, and WorkSharp proudly stands behind its products. They design, engineer, and calibrate their machines in Ashland, Oregon, using top-quality materials from both US and global manufacturers. Got annoying scratches or swirl marks on your car? This Scratch and Swirl Remover Kit is a lifesaver. It comes with a buffer pad and a specially formulated compound that makes it easy to buff away years of wear and tear, restoring your car's paint to its former glory. This isn't just about removing scratches. It actually brings back the gloss and shine, making your paint look like new. The compound also tackles water spots, oxidation, and other grime that dulls your car's finish. It's professional-grade stuff, but designed for anyone to use. They use top-quality chemicals with no unnecessary dyes or scents, so you know you're getting a pure and effective product. Safe for all paint types and colors. Clear coat, single stage, or multi-stage. This scratch remover offers a simple, safe way to get rid of those unsightly marks and keep your car looking its best. Ever get that dreaded check engine light and feel a pit in your stomach? This OBD2 code reader is a lifesaver. It quickly pinpoints why that light's on, reading and clearing trouble codes, showing live data, freeze frame info, and even vehicle details. Instead of an expensive mechanic visit, you can diagnose the problem yourself. It's widely compatible with most cars, trucks, and SUVs from 1996, 2000, and Asian models, plus newer OBD2 and CAN vehicles. It even works on some motorcycles. The clear 2.8-inch LCD screen makes it easy to read, and it powers directly from your car's OBD-I port. No batteries needed. It supports multiple languages too. Compact and weighing just 12 ounces, it's easy to handle with a long cable and standard connector. 6 buttons provide simple operation, even for non-techies. Unlike some slower scanners, this one uses a new ARM processor for ultra-fast and accurate readings. It displays detailed engine data in seconds, helping you quickly identify the issue and turn off that pesky CEL. If you need a reliable and affordable code reader, this is a great choice. Ever been stranded with a flat? The AirMoto portable tire inflator is a lifesaver. This compact powerhouse inflates car, truck, SUV, motorcycle, and bike tires quickly and accurately up to 120 psi. It's small enough to stash in your glove box or trunk, so you're always prepared. Using it is a breeze. Just set your desired pressure with the plus and NAJ buttons, connect the hose, and hit start. The AirMoto automatically shuts off when it reaches the target pressure. No cords to tangle, it's completely cordless. The large LCD screen is easy to read, and you can switch between PSI, KIPA, bar, and KGCM with a tap. It even has a built-in LED flashlight for nighttime emergencies and a deflate button. The hose stores neatly inside, and the powerful 2000 mAh battery recharges quickly. It comes with 3 handy attachments: a Schrader valve for vehicles, a Presta valve for bikes, and a needle adapter for sports equipment. There's also a general adapter for things like air pillows. So click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your life. Got a favorite leather or vinyl item looking a little worse for wear? This DIY repair kit is a lifesaver. It's designed to touch up and restore everything from scratches and cuts to holes and tears, bringing your leather goods back to life. This kit uses a high-quality, fast-drying adhesive that quickly repairs damage caused by everyday wear and tear, even pet scratches. The simple 5-step process makes it easy to achieve professional-looking results. Plus, you get a free email guide, an online color mixing tool, and a helpful video tutorial to walk you through the repair. The company even offers 24-hour support to answer any questions you might have. From car seats and sofas to shoes and handbags, this leather repair gel, complete with tools and instructions, is perfect for fixing a wide range of items. If you're looking for an effective way to restore your cherished leather and vinyl goods, this kit is definitely worth checking out. Need to make deeper cuts with your circular saw? The Prezi Beam Cutter attachment is a game changer. It boosts your saw's cutting capacity from a mere 2.5 inches to a whopping 12 inch. Even at a 45-degree angle, you can achieve cuts up to 8 inch. This attachment truly transforms your saw into a heavy-duty cutting machine. Designed for compatibility with most popular circular saw brands, the Prezi attachment is incredibly easy to install. You can attach it in just about a minute, no need to disassemble your saw. Made in America by Prezi, a company known for quality tools, this attachment is built for serious builders. Making large cuts in a single pass saves you time and reduces the risk of errors. Plus, it operates much quieter and smoother than a chainsaw. This attachment gives your circular saw the power to tackle demanding jobs, like cutting through multiple beams, logs, and blocks at once. It's perfect for a variety of cuts. With the Prezi Beam Cutter, you can achieve professional-grade 12-inch cuts and handle tasks like notching 6x12 panels with ease.